I'm just a poor guy, nobody loves me. Another rotisserie chicken. I'm going to do this video, maybe. We're going to make chicken Alfredo tonight. It's a Monday afternoon. I'm actually on vacation this week. Preparing for a visit from my mother from New York for Zachary, our son. He's getting married Saturday. So this is what I got going on. Another rotisserie chicken. I didn't have a foil pan to put in there, so I just put some aluminum foil in there. Got some Kingsford charcoal, and you see a couple chunks of hickory wood. It's chilly out today, so I'm going to keep this fire maintained pretty hot. What I hope to do is to show you how we do chicken Alfredo here at the house, and it's real easy. We used to buy the rotisserie chickens, from Walmart or another store or whatever, but heck, I got this and we're gonna do our own. Just got the chicken lick bam bam on there because we like that a lot. A little bit of spice, a little bit of heat to the Alfredo, and later on today we'll be putting together chicken Alfredo, and we'll show you our process and how easy. Store-bought Alfredo sauce. It's just some penne pasta and Parmesan cheese. Bake it in the oven. PoorGuy style, right? I got that sucker wrapped. Just want to show you this because I'm on vacation. Peace. About 2 hours into it. Juicy, delicious. Here's my chicken. Off the rotisserie whole chicken. This is what we'll be using to create our chicken Alfredo, fast and easy chicken Alfredo, weeknight chicken Alfredo. There's some Parmesan. Prego home style Alfredo, right? Great value penne. Gonna boil that, put in the chicken, the Alfredo sauce, and top it with the Parmesan. Bake it in the oven. Bubbly hot, PoorGuy style, fast and easy. Peace. All right, this is what we're looking like. I got the penne pasta, all the chicken, and the Alfredo sauce, both jars, a big one and a small one, and all of the cheese. Yeah. Gonna pop it in the oven. Oop, pardon the finger. Pop it in the oven. Get it nice and hot. Melty cheese on top. Show you what it looks like. But show you what it looks like. It is done. Bubbly hot and so delicious. Put it in the oven at 375 and then broiled it for about 4 minutes. That's what we like to eat. Simple chicken Alfredo. Give it a try. Weeknight meal. PoorGuy style. Peace.